Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Scholastic with another amazing short video. In this video, we are going to download and install Python and PyCharm on Windows. So let's get started. Open any web browser and write download Python, click enter. Click on the first link. Now you can see the official website of Python. Scroll down. We want to install Python for Windows. Click on the Windows installer. Let's download PyCharm until Python is being downloaded. Open new tab, write PyCharm download, click enter, click on the first link, scroll down. We want to download the community version for the Windows, click on that. Now wait until both of the files are downloaded. As I have already downloaded the files, now I am going to install the PyCharm. Double click on the PyCharm and wait. Now you can see PyCharm installer, click next. If you want to change the location, you can browse. If not, click next. Now check all of them and then click next. Click next. Now wait until the files are being installed. Click finish when the installation is completed. Now we have to install Python. Double click on the Python exe file. Must check add Python exe to path. Click on install now and wait. Once Python is downloaded, double click on PyCharm. Click on new project. See, it auto gets the Python version. If not, then you can browse the location where you have stored the Python file. Click on create button. Now you are ready to use the PyCharm. That's all. Hopefully the video was informative for you. If so, then don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for the new updates. Take care. See you next time.